YouTube, this is Ganesh and this is my Holy Stash 2019. Please watch the full video and enjoy. Let's start. So first thing I am going to show you are these herbal gulal by Murga brand. These are the best quality gulal you can buy in the market. I got this box for 200 rupees. Let's open it. The packaging is pretty cool and these are original Cog brand gulal. So here are 5 packets of gulal. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the box. I got this for 200. The MRP is 350 as it is written right here. As you can see, 350. And here are the gulal. This one is blue. You get yellow, orange, green and pink. Let's open one of these gulals and see the quality. So here is the gulal. As you can see, it is of pretty good quality. It is very soft and feels very good. Next item I bought this Holi are these Pani Wala Rang or watercolors, which I bought for 22 rupees each, but they are usually sold for 30 to 40 rupees in a retail shop. So I bought 2 pieces and you get 2 colors in one cylindrical box like these. One is gulal, which means pink, and one is green. Pink and green as the wrapper says. Let's open it. The packaging is pretty good and the print is also very good to buy these kinds of things. So there is a single box inside it and one cap is pink and one cap is green. Here's our Pani Wala Rang. This is pink and this is green. Let's add some water in pink color and see what happens. So as you can see, it is violet at present because the concentration is pretty high. Let's add some water in green color. So at present it is bluish because of high concentration. Let's add some in this glass. And see how much is required. Let's add a little bit of green and voila, looks like a mocktail. Let's add some pink color and see what becomes. And now it is violet in color. So a little bit is enough to color a whole glass of water. Next thing I bought this Holi are these color sprays. I bought one for 30 rupees. At a retail store these are sold for 60 to 70 rupees here in Shimla. So this one is red and this one is blue. Let's try them. So the packaging is pretty neat. As you can see, plastic cap on top. You must shake well before use. Let's try it. So it is lightish blue in color. As you can see right here, it is light blue and feels like slime. Now let's try the one in red color. As you can see, this is our snow spray. Cap on top means brand new. Let's shake it. Now let's use it. It is not a pakka rang, which is a pretty good thing. So this is a pretty cool thing. So let's see the next thing. Next thing I got this Holi is this Pichkari, which I got for 30 rupees. This is a water gun of a cartoon character Ben 10. So the water goes from here. We can put it inside. This is not tied, so this must be taken care of. And here's our piston, and the water comes out from here, this point. Let's add some water in this Pichkari from here. So here goes some water. Let's close it. Now let's try it. So here's the water, as you can see. So these guns also have a pretty long range, as you can see right here. Let's see the next thing. Next thing I bought this Holi are these color smoke fountain bombs by Standard brand. I got one box for 130, two boxes for 260. Let's see what we have inside. So you get 5 pieces in a box. Here's our scissors. Let's open it. So let's see what we have inside. So here are 5 pieces of color smoke fountain: red, yellow, green, blue and violet. These are pretty good. Let's try one of these. Let's try the red one. Let's get back. So the effect is pretty awesome, and it seems to be like an airdrop in PUBG, which is really awesome. As you can see, all the color is going up. Let's see the next thing. Next thing I got this Holi are these magic water balloons. This one I got for 40 rupees, 45 rupees in a retail shop. And this one I got for 60 rupees because of this knob. This knob helps to fit these magic balloons into the tap. I have already posted a video of these magic water balloons. Next thing I bought this Holi are these balloons, lots and lots of water balloons. So I got these whole bunch of water balloons for 50 rupees, 5 rupees per packet. So you get 10 packets. Let's see how many we have inside one packet. So here are all the water balloons of one packet. So the quality is not that good because of the cheaper price, but it is satisfactory. So there are about 30 to 40 water balloons in one packet. So 10 packets means 400 water balloons for 50 rupees. And this packet I got for 10 rupees. These are also water balloons. These are of very good quality. Good quality balloons burst with a stronger force. So these might be painful. So I suggest you to buy the cheaper ones. Let's try them. So first let's try the one of 5 rupees. Let's fill it up. So these are a little tiny. So this is the one which I got for 5 rupees. Now let's try the one which I got for 10 rupees. So this is the one of 10 rupees per packet, and this one is 5 rupees per packet. Let's try them. So first let's try the one which I got for 5 rupees per packet. Now let's try the one which I got for 10 rupees per packet. So the 10 rupees one was pretty heavy. Next thing I bought this Holi is this rainbow color fog, which I got for 250 rupees. I got 2 pieces, one yellow and one orange. I have already tried the yellow one in a previous video, which you can watch right here. This one is the orange one, and the fuse is pretty good, and the effect is also really awesome. You can also hold it in the hand while the effect goes, but I suggest you not to. The last thing I bought this Holi are these colors by Tota brand, which I got one packet for 10 rupees, 100 grams. These are also of pretty good quality at a very cheap price. Let's see how it is from the inside. Let's cut it right here. And here's the yellow color. So it is very soft, but not as soft as the herbal gulal. It also has a little scent to it. These are scented gulals. So I may buy more stuff for Holi. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to press that notification button.
Hey, listen!